Well, hello again. This is Louis123, and I'm back with my Lost Collection update. And today I'm not gonna talk about many things. Actually, just two things, but two big things. Not big physically, but big for me because if you look at this towel here, this towel was used in Lost. This was camera used, screen used. You can see there I ordered it on eBay a couple of months ago, and I got it today from the Lost prop room, Blue Hospital towel. Blue Hospital towel. That's pretty awesome. So I assume this is from one of Jack's flashbacks or something. I looked through all the seasons, and on YouTube I eventually found a video where a guy put all Jack's flashbacks together. So I watched it, and I pretty much think that I saw this hospital tower in one flashback in season 2, episode 1. The scene where he's doing surgery on Sarah. So yeah. Then I also received this baseball glove, also from Lost, also from the Lost prop room. These things came from the warehouse sale in Honolulu, where they sold things from Lost, like plates, pictures, everything, like baseball gloves, towels, glasses, everything. So this was kind of like the two things I wanted to show you. The thing that I'm happiest about is like the baseball glove. I don't exactly know where this was shown, but I think that I kind of I think that this was used in season 4, episode 11, Cabin Fever. Oh, I'm not sure, because that was a baseball glove, but I don't know if it was this baseball glove. I'm watching the show again for the 4th time, and I'm gonna look for a baseball glove. Eventually, I'm gonna buy some more Lost props on eBay, because I love to have Lost props. I made replicas from Lost, but it's just something else to have the real things. Yeah, so that's kind of what I want to show you guys. See you next time. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.